That's something I started with him just because he's such a flamboyant dresser that I can't really pull off the sweatpants and the yoga gear anymore. I have to elevate myself to his levels.
More personal reasons, Bloody Valentine might now be my favorite video.
I found that in my own way, and that's as much detail as I'll give you on that one.
Megan Fox has supposedly had an amazing family life for the last 9 years, and all of a sudden the news broke out in August 2020 that she has moved out of the relationship, and she has unapologetically confirmed the news on social media by posting a picture with her new boyfriend Machine Gun Kelly with towels wrapped around their waists, writing, "Achingly beautiful boy. My heart is yours." Valentine's Day, when the singer revealed that Megan Fox had gifted him a drop of her blood to wear around his neck.